All right, we're back once again. Similar to the last problem. Oops, let me move this upwards. We had inverse tangent, now we have inverse sine. We're going to rewrite it 1 times sine. So again, same formulation. We let u equal to our inverse sine. And we know with trig identities of derivative trig identities, we know it's just going to be 1 over square root 1 minus x squared as so dx. I think I've been forgetting the dx in some of these. So you just got to remember when you take the derivative, add that there. And then we have our dv is equal to dx once again. And our v is equal to x. Perfect. I'll put this all in our integral. We have our integral of sine inverse dx is equal to, we have x sine inverse, per usual. We'll cross that, cross multiply that, minus, we have x over square root of 1 minus x squared, and doesn't that look familiar? So yeah, the key difference of this problem between the last one is that the previous one didn't have that square root, and the x squared in one was, reversed. It was x squared plus 1. This is 1 minus x squared, so we already know we're going to have a negative 1/2 outside. It's going to turn it positive, so it's going to be one key difference. But for now, let's just see how this plays out, because we're also going to be taking the integral of this square root, which is going to bring up another constant that we'll use to cancel out. So let's just see how it plays out. We're going to let u equal that 1 minus x squared. Du equal that negative 2x. Get that negative 2x to the other side. Cancel that x, cancel the dx. Rewrite our integral as so. Should be this. Perfect. Du. The integral of 1 over square root u is just 2 square root u. So we're going to write that. Oh, and plus the 1/2 times 2 square root u. That 1/2 came from here. So we had a negative 1/2 with a, negative 1/2 times that is just going to be positive 1/2, or just outside and front. Makes it positive. 2 negatives make it positive. So we're going to rewrite that plus c, but we're going to rewrite that. These cancel out. So we have x sine inverse plus square root of u, but we're going to plug in what our u was, which happened to be 1 minus x squared plus c. And that is our answer for problem. We're on problem 5 now. Previous problem was 4.